My name's Kyro. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area, and today I'm going to teach you the 5 easiest skateboard tricks. So the very first skateboard trick we're going to go with is what I have come to be known affectionately as the popcorn. This, I'm pretty sure, is the absolute easiest trick in skateboard history. It's so easy, in fact, that I taught my wife to do it one time. Then she saw the footage, she said she didn't like the way she looked, and she deleted the clip. And therefore, you never saw the video. So basically, you put both feet under the board, and then you jump on. I was thinking to myself, well, we should show them some practice steps. I mean, they're brand new to skating. Wear a helmet, step 1. Step 0, wear a helmet, elbow pads, knee pads, all your protective gear. And then I guess the practice step is this. Just one foot, flip it over. Flip it over. So let's see what we got. Bend the knees is the key to all skateboarding. Knees bent just like that. And then jump on, keep your knees bent. Yes. Bend knees, jump on, bend knees, you're good, solid. That's the popcorn. That's all there is to it. Learn it, know it well. You should not be leaning too far forward or too far back. If you are leaning too far forward, you're gonna go like this. Ugh. And then fall forward. If you're leaning too far back, I don't know what would happen. Let's try. I guess you could fall back. So you want to be fairly centered, but even more important than that, like I said, bending of the knees. This is the utmost 100% most important thing with all beginner skateboarding, no matter what, whether you're just learning how to ride or anything, that's the most important. Knees bent. Bada boom, bada bing. I'm also assuming in this video on the 5 easiest tricks that you've already learned how to ride. You've been riding to school, to the grocery store, to wherever you go. You've been riding your skateboard. Now you're ready for some tricks. Trick number 2. Now that you've gotten comfortable on doing the popcorn and you're rolling from here to here, the next one is what we call caveman. Not that kind of caveman, this kind of caveman. Can you do that, Gabe? Gabe says he can do that. I've been doing research on the internet on what the young people are saying these days, and I found out they're saying no cap. Okay, boomer? So you take your board in your front hand, whatever hand is in the front, like that, and then you put it like this. Down. Like that. Down. Just do it with one foot, because the same with the popcorn, once you're jumping on there with both feet, you're putting yourself at risk. You could fly out that way, fly out that way. You cannot be leaning too far this way, or too far this way, or this way, or this way. You need to have your knees bent. You need to be rather centered, center of gravity. So once you're comfortable like with the front foot, do it with the back foot. Get that down. I know half the people watching this are like, just commit. Just jump on the board and commit. Okay, easier said than done, doc. And then jump. And just commit. Probably the intermediate step between those is this. Just toss it down. Give it time, give it time. And then just speed it up, faster and faster. You get really good at this, you can take it off some stairs. That, my friends, is the caveman. Coming up right after number 2 is number 3. What will that be? It will be what we call le boneless. That's what the French call it. In America, we call it boneless. All right, so you go like this. You're riding, give a little push. Your foot on the tail there, kind of not. And then your back hand grabs the board. Your front foot steps off. So front foot, step off, grab the board, and then jump up and kind of do like a little backwards caveman. You see why I put 1, 2, and then 3, because 3 is kind of a combo of 2. Caveman, boneless. How do you like your chicken wings?
Boneless.
Got him! So now we're gonna put it all in order. Give yourself a push. Do it boneless. Now if you're one of those stylish skaters like Mr. JD Sanchez, when you do your boneless, you kind of give it like a little tweak. See, I was like kind of shifty. Where's my Dickie pants and my Vans shoes? You get more advanced, you could boneless 180. Oh, got him. 900 Tony Hawk. Let's go, first try. And that is trick number 3. I'm gonna add a bonus trick in between 3 and 4, and that's this.
No, that is so hard, dude.
If you can learn that, it's a bonus. Trick number 4 is, after that bonus trick, thank you very much, is, what should we do? You know what one I think is really good? I don't even have a name for this, but the things with the internet, they all have to have a weird name. So let's call this the, MOTHRA flip.
Oh.
Yeah, good, right? So you're riding, you pop your board up, catch it in your hand, and kind of like twist about the, what is it? Caveman, right? Looks cool, right? So the first step to this is popping your board and catching it. Have your hand out like so, kick your board up. Maybe this isn't a beginner trick. So you have your hand like that, and then you catch it, and then it goes like this. Your hand's like that, flip it around, like that. When it's all in motion, it's a lot easier and cooler looking. I think it's actually easier when you have a little bit of speed. Step off of the front foot, pop the tail. Catch it, spin, land. First try! I also feel like waiting a little bit. You got, it's like a little pause. Pause, catch, swing, land. When I made this video before, I think I used obstacles in the park, and when I did this version, I wanted to go outside into a parking lot where anybody could be, and I kind of want to stay away from the regular tricks, you see? After the boneless and the MOTHRA flip and the caveman, they want to learn a strawberry milkshake, don't they?
Oh, that was a good one.
Ice cream, milk, strawberries, blender, strawberry milkshake. This foot is here and this foot is here. Never skateboard like that. In fact, don't even be seen on your board like that. No practicing, nothing. Step off with your front foot. Your back foot goes like this. That's the practice step. Repeat it. In fact, that's a kind of cool trick in itself. So practice that step. And then the next one, this is the one I always have a hard time explaining. It's kind of like a full circle with your leg. Kind of just kick the board, bring it all the way around. Like so, and like this. It is easier when you are moving. And the earlier trick that you did, stepping off on the boneless, should give you like a good control factor of being able to step off with your front foot. Down like that. And then you're gonna sweep this foot. It's gonna go in this motion like this. Kind of like a big circle. Ready? Got him. See? Perfection. You like ice cream? Leave it in the comments below. You like strawberry? Leave it in the comments below. You like strawberry milkshake? Leave 2 comments below. Yeah! The thing that can go wrong with this trick you have to be careful of is landing primo. It can pop up and you'll land like that. It's terrible. Could even under rotate and land like that. Just as terrible. You have to be really skilled with that back foot sweep around. Oh! The icing on the cake. The strawberry on the milkshake. That's the 5 easiest beginner skateboard tricks. I hope you guys are learning to skate. I hope you're having an absolute blast. If you're not, what are you thinking? It's time, get a skateboard, start skateboarding. We are on this global mission to teach the entire world how to ride a skateboard, to improve the lives of every single individual with a piece of wood, metal, urethane. I just pointed out the trucks and said urethane. So you get a skateboard, start learning how to skateboard. You can get skateboarding made simple. You can become a Braille Army Plus member. Get unlimited help from me and the community. It's never been a better time to learn how to skateboard. Get started. I got you. Let's go. Every Tuesday we're doing another trick tip. I hope you guys are having a blast. I hope you're learning. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. And we'll see you in the daily video, 10 a.m. We'll see you tomorrow.